How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to be discussing hash tables in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so first we need to import our hash table. A hash table is a data structure that maps keys to values. And you can map data types with any other data types. You can match keys of integers to strings of values, or vice versa. Or you can do character keys matched to integer values. So you can match any data type. You can have any pair of data types you would like in your hash table. For our example, we're just going to be mapping strings to strings. So when you add items to your hash table, use a method called put. So first we need to create our hash table. And in our example, we're going to add about 4 items. We're going to put Goku, and he's going to be matched to whatever his species type is. So Goku is a Saiyan. Next, we're going to put Vegeta. Joker, and he's going to be mapped to the type of a DC villain. And lastly, we'll have Piccolo, which would be of type Namekian. There are many ways you can print out a hash table. For our example, we're going to use a for each loop. We're going to have for string key colon our hash table dot key set. And inside of our for loop, we're going to print out key, and then we're going to add a string arrow pointing to its value. And then we're going to say ht dot get key. It's going to return the value that is equipped to that key. So when we run our program, we have Goku mapped to a Saiyan, Joker mapped to a DC villain, Piccolo matched to Namekian, and Vegeta matched to type Saiyan. But I know you noticed something odd about our output. Hash tables don't add items in order. A better way of explaining this is the scene from the Grinch movie back in 2000, when the Grinch was handing out mail to different people in Whoville. He was throwing different mails in different areas in the mailroom. So that's pretty much how items are added to a hash table. They are given random spots in memory using hash codes. But the hash codes are hidden from the user. So Java has it built in to where it gives each item a random hash code, which leads to a random spot in memory for keys and values. Hash tables can also remove items, and we can use that by saying ht.remove Vegeta. And let's look at our list now, or hash table. And now we have Goku, Joker, and Piccolo. Hash tables can also replace items, and we can do that by saying ht.replace, and we'll replace Vegeta's value with stubborn. So when we print out our hash table, now we have Vegeta is stubborn. Those are the basic functions of a hash table in Java. There's also other methods you can call on that you can test for yourself in your spare time. But other than that, if you have any more questions about hash tables, you can comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.